here is your first look at iOS and tvOS 12.3. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider. And literally 2 days after 12.2 was released unto the world, we have the first developer betas of 12.3. The biggest new addition here is the TV app, which is completely revamped with a new icon. Inside, it has been completely overhauled and just a little bit of what's to come as we go through the beta process and the revamped TV app and assumingly iOS and tvOS 12.3 release this May. The app has been cleaned up a lot. Along the top you see those different pills with different categories to go through. Then the up next carousel, which shows you TV shows and movies that you've been watching and how to continue them. There is what to watch, which are recommendations from Apple on things that you may enjoy. And there's the For You section. The For You section is utilizing machine learning to recommend content that it thinks you are going to like based on what you've been watching. Other content here is going to feel familiar if you've used the TV app in the past. Things like sports, new and noteworthy, trending. A lot of this was pulled from before, but it is utilizing over 150 different integrated apps to bring recommendations to you. That is the real power of the new TV app. Additionally is the Apple TV Channels feature. Using channels, you'll be able to watch content directly in the TV app instead of the third-party apps. Right now, as we're still in beta, things still jump to those other apps. So if I try to watch Billions, it takes me over to the Showtime app rather than to the actual TV app that I'm already in and playing it there. Same thing with Hulu, tapping on that 30 Rock episode will kick me out to Hulu. In the future, that will all take place right here within the new revamped TV app. You also may notice that we've lost tabs down at the bottom. Both Store and Sports were removed and relocated respectively. Before going into any other changes in iOS 12.3, we also want to take a quick look at the new TV app on the Apple TV. The Apple TV is really where you're going to be watching a lot of that content. It just makes sense. And we can see the start of that with the new TV app here. This is also coming to the 3rd gen Apple TV 2, so you'll be able to watch the Apple TV Plus original content on that 3rd generation Apple TV. It's really exciting because that 7-year-old hardware has not received an update in a really long time. Everything you see here on the TV app for Apple TV looks very familiar to how it does on iOS. We have the categories along the top: Watch Now, Movies, TV shows, Sports, Kids, Library, and Search. So you can navigate that way or scroll down to access this wealth of content. It has those recommendation engines powered by machine learning to give you more recommendations to watch here on your Apple TV. So far, it's really kind of cool. We really dig the new redesign of the app itself. It's basically what we saw in the Apple keynote. But like we mentioned on iOS, it is kicking you around. So if you try to watch Showtime, which I need to activate again, but if you try to watch Showtime, it does kick you to the Showtime app and out of the Apple TV app. So in the future, it's going to be really nice to have all of that in one place, not navigating to those third-party apps, other than Netflix, which will not be participating in the revamped TV app. Outside of the TV app, we do not see a lot of real big changes in iOS 12.3. Probably the only main one is going to be in the Wallet app. There's now many more transactions listed for your cards. This is obviously a precursor for the Apple Card coming later this year, and image assets for the Apple Card were found in this beta, so these could line up, but Apple Card could come after this launches in May. So what do you guys think? Do you like the new TV app? If you do, or if you found anything else, let me know on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. Enjoy that video? Click like and press on that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the Apple Insider Price Guide that has the best deals on Apple devices and is updated daily. Follow us on social media, and we'll see you guys in the next video.